Yung...
It's nice.
Pati tubig.
فيه 3 4 اسمها روح شكل.
Nakarami na kami. Nagloko itong camera ko. Nung mag-i-start na akong nung papalabas kami ng bahay. Let's go.
Yep.
Nakarami na kami.
There is still apple in the trees. They don't take it out.
We'll go.
There is kharma. So we don't have land here for us. It's there. Look at the mountain where there is snow. Come show them.
I can see.
Yeah.
Okay. Yun daw yung bukirin nila.
There is our lands. Right now we can't climb because there is snow. But here it's land for neighbors, and they are dumb. My neighbors, they don't pick up. They are too lazy to pick up. There is some trees it's full of apple. There is lot of kharma. They don't pick it up.
They call it persimmon.
Persimmon, because there is a rumor that kharma, persimmon make cancer. So it's good for us that they don't pick it up. We pick it because it's too expensive, and we bring it free, and we give our neighbors and our friends. Sorry.
No, yun, nakarami na kami doon.
This for our friends. For us, Philly had enough. She bring a lot.
Okay. Nakarami na kami. Doon yung bahay, kung nakikita nyo. Yun yung bahay namin.
This our house there, the white one.
There.
The big one there. Yeah. So it's nice to spend Christmas and New Year here, and maybe Easter.
Easter kami.
Yeah.
Mag-spend daw kami ng Christmas, New Year, and Easter. Where is my bag?
This was me.
Okay.
Because you are making video.
Okay.
I can. You finish? You need to close your cigarette. I have to make fire.
Yan yung tinatahak namin. Yun nga, kanina, pag-start ko ng camera ko, may kalagitnaan na kami ng pagpupulot. Tapos nagloko itong camera ko. Ngayon lang nag-start.
I passed already.
Ah?
I passed.
Okay.
Now it's your
Oh
turn.
my God. Tingnan nyo, ang tatahakin namin.
Wait. Pass. Close it very well, Mama, not to make fire. Close it well.
Give me your help.
Okay. Watch out, watch out.
Okay. Aray ko.
Wait, why you are, wait. No, yan, pass.
Okay. Yeah, okay.
Pass.
I'll follow you,
Here, my fish.
Nalalaglag na yung aking.
No.
Ito ang exercise namin dito, guys. Nakapag-workout ako sa bahay. Yung twister, ganon. Where will pass? Like yesterday, no?
No, like this.
Ah? Okay. And there? Okay, I'll follow you. Where's my bag? Nakarami na kami ng walnuts. 2 supot. Okay.
Wait.
Take yours.
Hey, how you come down? Watch out. Watch out, slowly. Watch out. Yeah.
My pants is going down. Okay lang yung weather, hindi gaanong malamig, guys. Doon sa may bundok doon, kita yung snow. Let me see if it's getting camera. Okay. I feel that it's like it's raining. This is the way. There is the way.
This is the way.
Yun, bababa na naman kami. Dahil yung ano dito, yung land, yung kabukiran, hindi patag, yung parang ano ba, rice terraces.
Be careful here.
How
Focus on yourself.
I will focus in myself down.
Slowly. Slowly, Mama.
Aray ko. Okay.
Okay, slowly, slowly.
Ay, ang dami. Ito dito may mga tubo ng ano, ng mga tubig. Maraming tubig dito. Ang isang kayamanan ng ano, ng Lebanon ay spring water, fresh water. I said to you, here, there is down way. My feet, it's close.
Close, no.
So what we'll do?
Go up.
Go. Nawawala kami.
No, it will close here.
Nawawala kami. Yun yung bahay guys. O nakikita nyo. Yun. Malapit lang siya. Pero ang problema, yung bang, yun nga, hindi pa patag yung daan. May ganon, parang hagdan. Pero mahirap pumanhik. Nawawala kami. Sabi ko sa kanya, doon tayo. Parang familiar na ako sa area. Oh, you okay, Daddy? To? Here, Daddy. Hon, look. Here. Hon. Yes. Nawawala kami, guys. Yun yung bahay. Yun. Doon. Pero hindi namin matumpok yung ano, daan ba. Dahil kung hindi mo matumpok talaga, mawawala ka. Ayan. So yun, ano ba yung sinasabi natin kanina? At nakapag twister na ako sa bahay. So sabi nitong tatay namin, oh, it's very nice here. Sabi nitong tatay namin, halika maglakad-lakad tayo. Kahapon din, naglakad kami ng konti. Tapos, namulot nga kami ng walnuts. Marami na ako sa bahay. Last summer pa, nag-gather na ako. Pero, itong mga napupulot namin ngayon, kahapon at ngayon, nakadalawang supot, 4 na supot na kami. Ipamimigay ko lang sa mga kapitbahay. Yun. Pang Christmas at saka pang New Year ko sa kanila. Mga kapitbahay doon. Kinukumusta kami kung anong ginagawa namin. How we are spending our days. Tumatawag sila. Yan. Yung kamay ko marumi. Yan siya, oh. Yan. Salay maliwanag ang pagkakuha natin ditong ano, guys. Dahil nung isang buwan, nagka-problema itong camera natin. Naayos ng konti. Pero meron na namang problema. It's not the time para bumili ng bago ba. Oo. Ngayon naman, pupunta tayo doon. Oh, ang dami, oh. Persimmon. Kuha tayo. You have bag there with you? Kuha tayo ng persimmon. I must go down? Okay. Okay. Hindi ko na kayo naisama, guys. Hindi ko na kayo naisama, guys. Doon. Namitas kami ng persimmon doon. Wait, let's go. Wait, there's something is... Ito, ang sarap.
Okay.
Tinatawanan ako ng asawa ko, ang sarap, oh.
We are stealing and you're eating. Kunti lang yung nakuha namin. Sabi niya, nagnanakaw ka tapos kumakain ka, sabi niya. Kunti lang. Bukas babalik tayo, bukas.
Ganito ang buhay dito sa bundok. Masarap. Libre kang manguha. Nagsawa na kami sa apples. Maraming apples pa doon, oh, yung pinakalas season ng apple. Mas masarap yung mga natitira sa sa sanga. Masarap. Matamis. Dapat may pangsungkit tayo. Ito pa, oh. Tingnan niyo ito, guys, oh. Yan ang masarap, oh. Yung nasa sa sanga. Oh. Iniwan na ako ng aking asawa. Ang gandang exercise. Oh. Nalalaglag na yung aking pantalon. Oh. Magpahinga tayo dito. Okay. Let's go.
I'm sleeping.
Oh. I think it's raining, no?
Well,
I feel like it's like okay. Come. Okay. Pababa na tayo sa bahay. I think there is drinking water. Pati tubig. Pati tubig, guys. Marami. Nalaglag na yung aking ang gandang exercise. Nasa bahay na tayo. Open. Tinanggal ko yung upuan namin dyan. Pinasok ko sa loob. Okay. Why, what happened? It stopped? It stopped, she? So mamaya magkwentuhan tayo.